times when we talk about people or things, we talk generally. But sometimes we want to talk about special things or people. When we want to show the difference between special things or special groups and general things or groups, we can use articles. There are 4 articles in English. Okay, let's look at a table to study these articles. Take a look at the screen. First, we have the article A. We use this article when we speak generally with countable single nouns and adjectives with nouns starting with consonants. For example, a man. Our next article we can use is an. We use an when we speak generally with countable single nouns and adjectives with nouns starting with vowels. For example, an old man. We use the article the when we speak specifically, using nouns and adjectives with nouns. For example, the man, this one we're talking about, or the people when we're talking about this group. Sometimes we don't use an article at all when we use special names like people or cities and countries. We also don't use articles when we talk about all other people or things in a group. For example, New York people or all people. Remember that it is how we say the word, not how we spell it, that determines if we use a or an. Take a look at some examples. We say an hour because we don't pronounce the H, so it sounds like a vowel sound. Same with an honest man. We don't pronounce the H. We say a university because university sounds like a Y sound. Same with a European. We pronounce the E and it sounds like a Y. Okay, let's look at some examples of sentences using articles to talk about social groups. He belongs to a large family. We don't know which family, so we use a because it's not specific. She is a member of the school chess club. This is a special group because there is probably only one school chess club, so we use the specific article the. People are very interesting. We're talking about all people, so we don't use an article. I am a member of an English school. We don't know which school, so we use the article an, not specific. Let's try some exercises using articles. I will write some sentences on the board and you tell me which articles to use to complete the sentences. Okay. Political parties are social groups. We'll start with Alberto. Can you tell us which article to use?
We don't use any articles here. Political parties are social groups.
That's right, very good. All right, Sylvia, try this one. She belongs to school swimming team. Sylvia.
She belongs to the school swimming team.
Yes, she belongs to the school swimming team because there's probably only one school swimming team at her school, so it's specific. Okay, Linda, the European Union is economic group.
The European Union is an economic group.
Yes, good. We're speaking generally, so it means one of many different economic groups. Next example. Politics is interesting subject. Okay, Sylvia.
Politics is an interesting subject.
Yes, Politics is an interesting subject. Not the only interesting subject, so we use an because it's general. All right, Alberto, one for you. The family is important social group. Alberto.
The family is an important social group.
Correct. The family is an important social group. Again, not the only important one, but one important social group. So we use an. Okay, this is last sentence. For you, Linda.
This is the last sentence.
Yes, specific. There's only one last sentence. So this is the last sentence. Good job, everyone. Thank you. Now, this is the time to look and listen.
Look and listen.
She is a member of a sports club. Are you a member of the chess club? I belong to a very large family. The United States of America is a group of 50 states. The political party is meeting tonight.